can you guys help me blow? 1, 2.
Make a wish. Bravo!
All right.
Daddy's wish.
I can't tell you.
Daddy gets to keep these candles forever. Here you go.
Thank you, buddy.
I think this out the cake.
Thank you.
I think this out the cake.
Thank you. Who made this cake?
Me. Me, Zoe, and Mommy. Here you go.
Jack, did you make this cake too?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh,
All right, who wants a big piece and who wants a little piece?
I